Want to make a custom footer in Elementor without any coding? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. But before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Templates, and then Saved Templates. Click Add New Template, select Footer as the type. Name it, for example, I just called it Footer, and hit Create Template. Elementor will open with its editor and template library. You can either choose a pre-made design or close the library to build your own. Pick your layout, Flexbox or Grid. I usually go with Flexbox. Then, click the Elements icon and start dragging in widgets like Site Logo, Heading, Text Editor, or Button 1x1. These are your building blocks and can be styled later to match your brand. Once your layout is set, hit Publish. A pop-up will ask you to add condition. Set it to Include and Entire Site so your footer appears everywhere. Click Save and Close. And it's live. Let me give you an important disclaimer here. This tutorial covers how to build a footer, not the design specifics. That's up to your taste and branding. To preview your work, click the Preview icon next to the Publish button. You see, Elementor makes it extremely easy to create like a pro. Try it out using the affiliate link below. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.